Hi, welcome to the Gardening Over 60 series, where it's never too late to get started gardening. A common mistake for people over 60 is they choose too heavy of a pot. And with the arthritis that I have, and you shouldn't even be lifting that way, try to use your hands, the palm of your hand or your arm when you lift. But be sure to pick a lightweight pot. Avoid these common mistakes that beginners have when they start their container garden. First of all, you want to be sure you have drainage in all of your containers. The second thing is you need to have at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. And the third, you need to be able to water every day that it doesn't rain. Now let's get started with the basics of container gardening. There's two important things that you have to consider when you're planning on where to put this container garden. Number one is sunlight. You have to have 6 to 8 hours of sun daily. The other consideration is water. These planters, once they're fully grown and as seedlings, will have to be watered every day that it doesn't rain. So you want to be sure you have a hose close by, or you have some kind of access to water where you can use a watering can. And you'll notice that I'm sitting on this wagon. This is what has saved me in my problems as I age with my knees. It's really good. It rolls around and I use it all the time. I haul stuff with it, and it's just really helpful as you get older and you're trying to garden. The next thing you need to consider are these containers. Now, I use ones that I like the color because it matches my outdoor theme. But you can just get even simple containers. I suggest either plastic or, because they're pretty good on watering. You don't want to use the clay pots because they dry out so much that you'd be watering them twice a day, not just once a day. Then the next thing would be the soil. And I use just a potting mix for these. I already filled them up, so we're ready to get started planting. Now you can use organic or regular. I'll show you in the description and a link what I use, and I use both depending on what I'm growing. And some things like the greens, they seem to like the non-organic soil, so I use that a lot in the containers. In the next video, you'll learn more about planting seeds, so be sure to subscribe.